Okay, Manny here again. So, today we're going to be talking about kingdoms in the subject of taxonomy. So, kingdom. Alright, so here, again, I'm not really lecturing, I'm giving this information to you where I'll probably be giving you hints on the type of kingdoms that we have. We have, basically what I'm saying here: one, two, three, four, five, six. I'm pretty sure. We'll find out as we go along. So, what are these kingdoms? Now, I want to give you mnemonics and little hints as to what this is to help you memorize it. So, this is quite easy. Think of something mobile, an organism that can definitely move. It is multicellular, eukaryotic, and it's at least mobile for part of its life, to be more specific. And it's heterotrophic. Now, let me pause the video because I'm absolutely honest, because I actually forgot what heterotrophic is. So give me a second to look it up. Alright, so that word heterotrophic that I couldn't think of um, actually means the ability for an animal or something to consume something else, consume other organisms. And if you haven't figured it out by now, I in fact gave away the answer if you were paying attention. It is animal. Alright, so let me put down some specifications for animal. Alright, so here we have it as mobile, multicellular, and let me zoom in while I type this. Oh, the heck, it's not letting me turn it red. Mobile, multicellular, eukaryotic, like organism that is mobile in part of its life, or part of whatever life. I think you get the gist of what I'm trying to say here. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on. So after animal, we also have, now what is exactly like this description here, the multicellular eukaryote organism that is mobile part of its life, was exactly like that, except it doesn't move. And well, of course, the other thing is it's also not really heterotrophic. It uses something else to get its energy. Any idea? Uses photosynthesis, which makes it quite obvious what it is. It is a plant. Alright, so then we have that plant kingdom. Now, after plant kingdom, it's this kind of as a not a monon, but as a hint to this, similar to an animal, and it digests its food externally. It gives you athlete's foot. Grows on fruit when you don't eat it, I believe. Anyway, it is fungi or fungi, or however you want to pronounce this word, fungi. Alright, so we have that one, and now this one here. This is pretty much, as a description, it is mostly unicellular eukaryotes. And as a hint, it's kind of like the junk drawer that you throw everything that you can't fit into the one of these three. It is protista. Protista. So I'll teach you more. Well, not me teach you, but we'll probably be reviewing that later in a different video. Now, you got two more kingdoms, and one thing to note about all of these is that they're all eukaryotic. Eukaryotic. Alright, and let me see how much time I have left here. Alright, I got plenty of time. So, these are all eukaryotic organisms. Now, for the last two, these are going to be, there's only one other domain available, which is prokaryotic. Well, let me just, prokaryotic, I can abbreviate it with just pro there. So, now, basically, these last two are bacteria. They are bacteria. And the difference between them is their age. So, I hope you can, let's see. One of them begins with an M, and you can think of modern bacteria. It starts with an M, and that's how you can link it as a monadic. It's called Monera. Alright, so so this is modern bacteria, and now you have a different one, and it's basically ancient bacteria, and use the A as a mnemonic because this word starts with the letter A, and it's called archaea. Okay, so basically that's it for taxonomy so far. Next subject to discuss out of the lectures would be some evolution, scientific. I don't need to cover scientific method. There are plenty other YouTube videos you can look at for that. But that's the end of this. Alright, thank you guys.